Guys, this is Center Channel again with you, and today we are having a tour. We are going to Kasese, and we have just started our tour. We are going to Kasese. As you see, we have a lot of people here. Now we have a big team. Today is our driver Collins, the man. This is too much rain. This is too much rain. Through the screen I see your face. It's not enough, it's ain't fire. Every word you send my way feels like a touch far away. Oh. Yeah. I'll give you money. That's what's a guy what's one man what to genda Kasese sawa zino. Nikaona nanga kaji. Akarocho chakora wakuchiteke chinhu changu. Nganeche chanje. Iko chini. Masika kavateka biri kanonendia kati denta Tereza yo no ina means man kumwe yo even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades and quagga line you. Even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades and quagga line you. Spina na jinja lili no wala walifunyida ni warasi banga basi jeke adi nyine mipira joka. Thank you so much guys, we have just arrived Kasese. It's just amazing. It was fun and tiresome journey, but we have arrived Kasese, and today we are going to have fun at night. We are going to enjoy everything. We are going to enjoy parties in Kasese and the street of Kasese at night. So keep there, watch this, and I'm going to enjoy how we're doing this. Ciao!
And something else I'd like you to know about Kasese city. This city is close to Congo DRC. It's almost to the border of Congo DRC. So that's why I see everyone is happy. They love really music. They really love music like Congo.
So much guys for watching this video. It's been Tenta Channel with you, and thanks for supporting this channel. This is our channel. Thanks so much for being there for us, for loving Tenta Channel, for loving this channel.
Thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give me a comment so that I'll know what to do in the next video for you. Thanks so much for watching.